How to fix the errors billing problem with the previous purchase on iPhone. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check your purchase history. Launch your settings. Navigate to your name. Now head over to the option Media and Purchases. Click on View Account. Now select Purchase History. Identify the purchase causing the issue and note the amount due. Solution 2. Update your payment method. Open your settings and tap on your name. Now, click on the option Payment and Shipping. Sign in if prompted. Tap your current payment method and update it, or add a new method. Ensure the card details are correct. Confirm that your payment method has sufficient funds. Solution 3. Retry the payment. After updating your payment method, Apple will automatically attempt to process the payment again. If not, go back to purchase history, find the unpaid purchase, and manually retry the payment. Solution 4. Remove and re add payment method. Once you're on this page, remove all the payment details and then again re-add it. With that, your problem might be fixed. If none of these solutions work, contact Apple support. They can help resolve account related problems and assist with completing the payment. So that's a wrap for this video. By following these steps, you can quickly fix the billing problem and restore full functionality to your Apple account. That's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.